student. Good morning. How are you? Fine. Very good. So I am your maths teacher, Priti Prasad from Sanskar, the Gurukul International School. So are you ready for your online classes? Yes? Very good. So take out of your notebook, textbooks and get ready for your classes. So yesterday we have completed chapter 4, Pahade. Today we are going to learn our 5th chapter, our 5th lesson, essential term of mathematics. What's the meaning of essential? The essential mean is it's necessary, it's compulsory. Okay? In mathematics, there are some symbols which are very useful. 4 symbols are there which are very useful. First one, plus, we have called in Hindi dhan and we have called in English plus, P-L-U-S, plus. The next, see this sign. Which sign is that? Minus. We have called in Hindi rin. And we have called in English minus. M-I-N-U-S. Minus. Now next one. What is this? Cross sign is that? Just like X, alphabet X. We have called this sign in Hindi gunit and English we have called multiply. M-U-L-T-I-P-L-Y. Multiply. We have called multiply in English. Now last one is that. What is this sign? We have called it divide. Simply we have called divide. In Hindi we have called bhagit. And English divide. D-I-V-I-D-E. Divide. Okay. There are 4 symbols are there which are very useful in mathematics. In essential terms of mathematics. This 4 symbol is essential term of mathematics sign. Okay. So 2 examples are there. This sign we are explained plus sign. Okay. This is a example of this sign. Okay. We have called addition. When we are joined one and another point. When we have joined, we have called addition. Ones, second digit we have called tens, and third digit we have called 100. 100, 10 and ones. 100, tens and ones. Why we are writing here 100, tens and ones? Because this position of ones, 6 is the position of 1, 3 is the position of tens, and 2 position of 100. यहाँ पे आपको ये जो मैं 3 नंबर अरेंज करके यहाँ लिखी हूँ, इसे हम 100, टेंस एंड वंस में हमने क्या किया है? अरेंज किया है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ 3 डिजिट है और यहाँ है 1 डिजिट. 3 डिजिट को 1 डिजिट में ऐड करके हमें वैल्यू पुट आउट करनी है. तो हम कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट में वंस में 2 डिजिट आपको ऐड करनी है. पहले हम राइट साइड से क्या करते हैं? एडिशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. राइट साइड टू लेफ्ट साइड हम जाते हैं. ठीक है. राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करके हम लेफ्ट साइड की ओर बढ़ते हैं. तो फर्स्ट में है 6 प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 8. 6 प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 8. यहाँ पे हम 8 लिख सकते हैं, है ना. 3 इज नथिंग हियर. 3 के नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे सिंपली 3 लिखेंगे. ठीक है. 3 and 2 downside is nothing here, so what we write? Only 2 we can write here. So what's the value of this? 238 value are find out. Okay. Now second digit, see second example, tens and ones. Two digit are here. Tens and ones, two digit are here. We are going to start adding 6 plus 1. What? 6 plus 1. अगर हम 6 में 1 को ऐड करते हैं तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा? 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Very good. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 plus 0 is equal to only 3. Okay, the value is 37. Here is a two example of this sign. What we call this sign? Addition. In Hindi we have called dhan, and Hindi we have called plus or addition. Okay, there are two example is there. So my dear student, see another symbol. For example, another symbol or example. The symbol we have called in English minus, and we have called in Hindi rid. Okay, we have called in English minus, and we have called in Hindi rid. There are two more examples are there. 100, tens and ones. Three digit are there. Three digit are here. 100, tens and ones. 2, 3 and 6. When we are going to separate largest number to smallest number, we are getting a value of minus. We are getting a value of minus. So let's get solve it. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. See, 6. How many fingers are there? 6 fingers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers are there. When we are separate 4 fingers, when we are remove 4 fingers, then how much value are there? 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. And 4 fingers जब हमने हटा दिया तो कितने फिंगर हमारे पास बचे? 2 fingers. 1 and 2. How many fingers are there? 2 fingers are there. So similarly, 6 minus 4 equal to 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. अब आप लोग बोलोगे कि मैम यहाँ पे तो आपने कोई नंबर कोई डिजिट नहीं दिया, तो फिर आपने 0 आपने क्यों बोला? अगर कोई भी नंबर के पास में, कोई भी नंबर के नीचे में अगर कोई भी डिजिट ना हो तो वहाँ पे हम सिंपली 0 को मानते हैं, ठीक है, कि वहाँ पे 0 है, ठीक है। तो 3 minus 0 equal to 0 and 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Then what's the value are there? 232. 168. 100 tens and ones. In this number 100 tens and ones are arranging here. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to, see how many fingers are there? 8 fingers there. And which number we have separate? Only 5. 5 number. This is the largest number and this is the smallest number. We are going to separate largest from smallest. Largest from smallest. Then this is 8 fingers are there. हमें इसमें से 5 फिंगर को हटानी है. 5 फिंगर ये हमने हटा दिए. बच्चे कितने हमारे पास? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are there. So we can write here only 3. 3. Then 6 is nothing. Digit is equal to 6 minus 0 equal to 6 and 1 minus 0 equal to 1. So what's the value? 163. Students, see another example are there. This sign is, which sign is this? Multiply. We have called multiply. In Hindi we have called gunit and English we have called multiply. Here are two examples of multiply. 3 digits are there, 100 tens and ones. 2 into 1 equal to, when we are multiplied 2 into 1. 2 into 1 equal to, what's the value? 2. 2 into 1 equal to 2. You know now? Table of 2. 2 into 1 equal to 2 and 2 into 4 equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8. So we can write here 8 and 2 into 2 equal to 4. So what's the value? 482. 482. Okay. Now second example. 3 into 6 equal to what? 3 into 6 equal to what? Yes, 18. 18. 18. 8 carry 1. Carry 1. जब भी हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं विद कैरी जब हम लेंगे, कैरी के साथ जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो हम राइट साइड वाले नंबर को हम यहाँ लिखेंगे और लेफ्ट साइड वाले नंबर को हम क्या करेंगे, अप साइड वाले नंबर के पास कैरी दे देंगे। ठीक है, और इससे हम मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करते, इसे हम क्या करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं। ठीक है, तो 3 into 0 इक्वल टू 3 into 0 इक्वल टू 0। नंबर को भी हम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, 0 नंबर ही आएगा। ओके, आंसर 0 ही होगा। तो इसे 3 को हम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो कितना आ रहा है, 0। देन 1 क्या होगा, यहाँ पे हम यहाँ पे 1 ऐड करते हैं। 3 into 1 equal to 3 into 1 equal to 3. So what's our answer? 380. We are getting the answer. Okay, 380. Now dear student, see last more example. Which side is that? Divide. Yes, Bhagit we have called in Hindi Bhagit and we have called in English divide. Okay, so here are 2 more example are there. 2 example. First one, 22 divided by 2. 22 divided by 2. हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे 22 को 2 से डिवाइड करना है। कैसे करेंगे? See, 22 divided by 2. Okay. 2 into 1 equal to 2 into 1 equal to 2 and ये नंबर हम यहाँ लिखते हैं, फिर 2 into 1 equal to 2. ओके, सो आंसर क्या निकला हमारा? आंसर इज 11. We have get 11. Okay. Now second example, 36 divided by 3. 36 divided by 3. See, 36 divided by 3. When we are multiply in 1 times, 3 into 1 equal to 3. Then 1, how many times are multiplied? 1. Then 1 write is here and 3 write in downside. Then 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now 6. How many times we are multiply of 3? 3 into 2 equal to 6. Then 2 write is here and 6 write it downside. Then again minus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. The value is, the answer is 12. Okay, the answer is 12. So my dear student, आप ये 4 एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको यहाँ पे दी, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन। एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ मेनी बेसिक मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन आर देयर इन मैथमेटिक्स, नेम देम। हाउ मेनी मैथमेटिक्स ऑपरेशन? 4 मैथमेटिक्स ऑपरेशन आर देयर। फर्स्ट वन एडिशन, सेकेंड वन माइनस, सब्ट्रैक्शन, थर्ड वन मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड फोर्थ वन डिवीजन। ओके, 4 mathematics operation are there. Now next question, what is symbol plus call in English and in Hindi? आपको यहाँ पे हिंदी और इंग्लिश में प्लस वाले साइन यानी इस साइन को क्या बोलते हैं वो लिखना है. तो वी हैव कॉल इन हिंदी धन एंड वी हैव कॉल इन इंग्लिश प्लस. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द सिंबल? माइनस called in English and Hindi. We have called minus sign is Hindi rin, and in English we have called subtraction. Okay. Now the fourth question is, what is the Hindi name of multiply? What is the Hindi name of multiply? The Hindi name of multiply is Gunit. Got it? The Hindi name of multiply is Gunit. Now last fifth question. What is the Hindi name of divide? What is the Hindi name of divide? The Hindi name of divide is Bhagit. Yes, Bhagit. Right? So chapter completed. So my dear student, in this chapter, lesson 5, you are note down in your note copy exercise question number 1 to 5. Okay. So bye bye and take care. Stay home, save your life.